Choosing the right processor is about finding that sweet spot where your frames are high, your stuttering is non-existent, and your wallet doesn't feel completely empty. Here, we have three best CPU for RX 9060 XT.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have AMD Ryzen 5 9600X CPU. The Ryzen 5 9600X is arguably the most logical companion for the RX 9060 XT. Based on the Zen 5 architecture, this 6-core chip is designed with modern efficiency in mind, operating at a cool 65-watt TDP. It provides enough single-core muscle to ensure that the high boost clocks of your RX 9060 XT are never left waiting for instructions. In 1440p gaming, where the load shifts slightly more toward the GPU, the 9600X keeps things perfectly balanced. It is a fantastic choice for those who want a modern, future-proof platform without overpaying for extra cores they might never use. Built for strong gaming performance, this processor delivers smooth gameplay with 100+ FPS in many of the world's most popular titles. It features 6 cores and 12 processing threads powered by AMD's Zen 5 architecture for fast and efficient performance, with boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz, support for overclocking, a 38MB cache, and DDR5 5600 memory compatibility. On number 2, we have AMD Ryzen 7970X CPU. For those who want a bit more oomph under the hood, the Ryzen 7970X steps up as the premium mid-range king. While it shares the same power-efficient RDNA as its smaller sibling, it bumps the core count up to 8. This is the sweet spot for gamers who don't just play, but also have Discord, a dozen Chrome tabs, and maybe a streaming software running in the background. The 9700X offers slightly higher boost frequencies that can squeeze every last drop of performance out of the RX 9060 XT, especially in CPU-intensive titles like simulators or massive open-world RPGs. It provides a smoother experience with better 1% low frame rates, meaning those annoying micro-stutters during intense action are virtually eliminated. On number 3, we have AMD Ryzen 5 7600X CPU. If you are looking to maximize your value and put more of your budget toward a better monitor or more storage, the Ryzen 5 7600X remains a formidable ally. The processor uses the socket AM5 platform, allowing easy installation on the motherboard without soldering. As part of the Ryzen 5 series, it is designed to deliver reliable performance and efficient everyday use. Built on advanced 5nm process technology, it provides consistent speed and improved productivity. Its 6-core design ensures smooth and dependable processing, while the combined 38MB cache, 6MB L, 2 plus 32MB L3 helps improve response times and overall system efficiency. With clock speeds up to 5.3 GHz, it delivers fast and dependable performance for demanding tasks. So, these are some of the best CPU to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.